Then
the PSBRC participant class competition in the 01 declared graduate effective.
At this juncture is the distribution of certificates by our guest of honor speaker with our regional training director. But I am requesting the president of the 8 classes to receive the certificate of completion. General Order number 2017-29, dated August 7, 2017. Declaration of completion of the Public Safety Basic Research Course, RTC 10, Class 2017-01, Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta Echo, Foxtrot Golf and Hotel. So I request the President to receive after I have read the declaration. Termination of the public service. Declaration of completion pursuant to RTC 10 Academic Board Resolution number 2017-27 dated 3 August 2017. Following names, police non-commissioned officers of the Philippine National Police with badge number and unit indicated opposite their name have successfully completed the prescribed program of instruction of the Public Safety Basic Research Course, RTC 10 class, with a credit of 960 hours of instruction covering the period from February 2017 to 7 August 2017. The termination of the public service of the above named police non-commissioned officers with this training center are hereby terminated effective closing hours of August 7, 2017 by order of Police Chief Superintendent Villacorte, Director, National Police Training Institute.